subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has silently launched its new affordable 5G phone under Y series in Thailand called Vivo Y30. Talking about the specifications, the new Vivo Y30 5G features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a large 88.9% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to 2GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Vivo Y30 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on FunTouch OS 12 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it also comes with multi-turbo 5.5 plus Ultra Game Mode 2.0 feature for better performance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.84 by 8.25mm, and it weighs around 193 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y30 5G has been priced in Thailand at 8,699 Thai baht, and it is now available for purchase in the country in Star Night Black and Rainbow Fantasy color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y30 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.